If you're looking for a balance between a running board and a rock slider for protection and easier access for your 2018 or newer 4-door JL Wrangler, this set of RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps in textured black is a great set to consider. Now these are a perfect choice for the hybrid driver that has added a lift or larger tires and needs some better accessibility for their Jeep, but doesn't want a set that lacks durability if they do plan on taking their JL off-road. With that, they're a compact and sleek choice that helps add to the heavy-duty appearance and match with other HD accessories, while also being relatively affordable in price for the benefits that you're getting. Now these offer the perfect balance between durability and protection, as well as accessibility for your Wrangler. Now each side offers roughly 4 inches of width to plant your foot when getting in and out, and instead of strictly having a tubed build, there is a stepping plate here that has raised cutouts for traction and drainage to help with your stability and just a reliability and a good footing when you're getting in. Now with a wide footing compared to a slimmer rock slider solution, it's not only good for getting in, but also it's going to provide some outward protection and coverage for the rocker area and pinch weld area, whether it's from kick-up, door dings in the parking lot, or larger hazards off-road. And the running board style of the even tubing on the outside also is going to slide off of any obstacles, preventing hang-ups, and the general design won't compromise your ground clearance off-road while providing the access that you need. Now, the set is made of a steel tubular construction on the outer part. You have plated steel, and then you also have like a pentagonal upper bar here that kind of gives off the appearance of a ruby rail or an extended ruby rail with the additional material. Now all of that steel here is covered in a high strength matte black powder coat finish to protect against any rusting, in addition to resisting surface scratching or damage, and of course looking the part with an HD appearance. The steps also have a laser RedRock logo cutout, and all of the punched holes on each of the stepping surfaces are very clean for a premium appearance, and the kit comes with all the necessary hardware required for the install, including tough steel brackets that are also powder coated for longevity, and all of the hardware for a question-free install. Now these are about $350, which is pretty average in price for a set like this. Now this set in particular is unique in the fact that it's kind of a middle ground between a durable side protection choice for the Jeep and having a solid stepping surface to get in and out without being intrusive to your clearance. Now it's also a stylish option that's pretty sleek and compact compared to some bulkier choices if you're really focused on the performance that a heavy-duty step like this can provide. Now install is easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it's going to take about an hour per side, 2 hours in total to get the job done with some basic hand tools. Now at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how these bolts up to your JL at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need an impact, a ratchet, an adapter if necessary, 10, 13, and 16 millimeter sockets, and 10, 13, and 17 millimeter wrenches. Today we're going to be installing some side steps on our Wrangler, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so to get started, we're going to begin by installing our mounting brackets for our steps themselves. Now these are all labeled for their corresponding position on the vehicle. So we're on our passenger side, so we're looking for PF, PC, and PR. That's going to be passenger front, center, and rear. Now your center and rear brackets are going to be the same. The front bracket is going to have a distinct shape and a distinct support bracket. So you just want to grab the corresponding one with your front bracket. And then again, the center and rear brackets are both going to be the same. So we're going to get under there, we're going to install our hardware loosely, and then we're going to grab our steps and get those installed. Alrighty guys, so now we're underneath our vehicle. We are at our center locating bracket. You're going to look for your 2 pre-drilled holes in your pinch weld, and in the middle of that you should have a threaded insert on your body. So we're going to line up our center bracket and get our provided 13 millimeter bolt with a lock washer and flat washer. I'm going to thread this in. Now we're just going to get this hand tight for now. Now once we've got our main bracket on, we're going to grab our support bracket. We're going to line that up with our pinch weld holes as well as our mounting hole to our main bracket. We're going to grab our through bolt, put that in with the flat washer, and to that we will add in our other flat washer and our lock nut. Once we have that one on, we're gonna grab our pinch weld through bolt. So we'll grab our 10mm bolt and flat washer, put that through. And we'll grab our other flat washer and our lock nut for that. And we'll do the same thing for our other pinch weld hole. Now once you've got this first bracket all set up and loosely in place, you want to do the same thing for your other two brackets. Now that we have our bracketry in place, we're going to install our steps onto those brackets. Now these are going to be labeled for right and left. Your label should be on the back side of the front of your step, so we're on the passenger side, that's going to have an R on it. Then we've got 2 threaded inserts for each mounting position. We're going to grab our provided 13mm combo bolts. We're going to set these onto our brackets and get our bolts loosely in place. We're going to put ours on, get a couple in just to hold it, and then we'll get underneath and show you what it's supposed to look like. Alrighty guys, so we're back underneath, and again, we've got our combo bolts, we've got our threaded inserts lined up with our brackets. Just want to get those in place. Might have to move this around a little bit to get them going. Get our one on the back side in. Now this one is a little bit tight, but just take your time with it, it'll go in. And once you've got your first couple in, you want to do the same thing for the other 2 brackets, and we'll come back and start tightening everything down. Now we're going to begin tightening. We're going to start from the top and work our way to the bottom. So we're going to start with our 13mm socket on our impact to tighten up our main mounting bolt. And we're going to tighten down our 2 pinch weld bolts. So for that, we're going to use our 10mm socket on our ratchet and a 10mm wrench. And for our center support bolt, we're going to use a 16mm socket on our impact for the bolt head and a 17mm wrench for our nut. And what we're going to do is grab our 13mm ratcheting wrench for this backside combo bolt. And you can use your 13mm socket on your impact to tighten down the bottom one. And once you have this first bracket tightened down, you can do the same thing for the other 2 brackets. Now once you've got this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock TC3 HD Rocker Steps in textured black finish for your 18 to current Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.